Hey, so what's up guys? Welcome back to the Get Smart channel, and today I have another brokerage account for you to look into, and it's TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade is one of the popular ones that a lot of people use, from beginners to people who are very experienced. A lot of people use this particular brokerage account, and you'll see why. Now for me personally, I do have an account with TD Ameritrade. It took me a while for it to grow on me, because at first I wasn't really using it. I had a few other brokerage accounts that fulfilled my needs, but there are some things that as time went on, as me being an investor, that I found out that I needed TD Ameritrade for, because it just worked better through their platform, which I'll talk a little bit about that. But as always, we do these reviews / tutorials, or these look behind the scenes type of videos where people can look into a brokerage before they make a decision and see what's going on. So that way it just helps them in their research, and the ultimate goal is for them to be better, get better, or find what they need financially, as we're all on that journey to do our best financially, right? All right, cool. So let's get right into it. So TD Ameritrade, as you can see, #1 for long-term investing, rated by Barron's. So in 2018, so you can see they're very high on the scale when it concerns that they are used and how much people love them, because they have a array. I mean, they have tons of tools. They pretty much have everything. They also have a TD Bank, but that's a whole nother conversation. But here it's just a home page where you can see where you can start to do your own research. You go to tdameritrade.com and you get the chance to see what they have to offer, the tools and platforms they have, which is very interesting. When we take a look on the inside, you'll be able to see how things are with their platform, and you get to see how they compare to others, because they're very sophisticated. You can kind of see some examples here of how you can integrate things, which is absolutely great. A lot of people love that you can integrate, especially if you're really into trading, or if you're into you're just a market stalker. This has the tools that you need, where you can see here where you're able to also customize it. So now investment products, it's pretty simple. They have stocks, options, ETFs, mutual funds, and this is where they start to differ from a lot of other ones. They have futures, they have forex, you can have a managed portfolio, cash management, fixed income. I mean, they have stuff for retirement as well, as you can see up here, where you can plan for just about anything through their company, which is definitely a plus. Now, if you're just starting out in investments, or learning how to invest, then it might be a little bit much for you, because there are some intricate parts, and you may not even understand what's going on. Just looking at your account and your screen, I've got a ton of questions where people ask, like, how do I find this, how do I find that, because it just has a lot going on, which for people who experience, is definitely a good thing. But you can see they have so many different tools that you can use. They have a guidance section where it helps you with your goals. It helps you to manage and track your progress and things of that nature. But let's just take a quick look on the inside, guys, so you can just see what's going on here. And so here you can see a look at the portfolio. Now, this is actually when you have an account. I was just on the home screen here, just toggling through different things on their home screen. Also, with TD Ameritrade, they bought out Scottrade, if I'm not mistaken. So those who have Scottrade, they also can log in and with their Scottrade account, which you can see up here, right here at the top. But inside of the brokerage account, bam, looks a little busy, right? So what they allow you to do is they'll allow you to customize your screen, which I actually love that, because you can come here and you can pretty much get all the information you need in one place, like from simple to complex. So on the right, where you see it says my doc, you can see there's some modules I have here. some streaming news I was actually reading into a little earlier. But you can see where you're able to move things around if you want. You know, if you want to move your watch list around, you can do that. It allows you to have that option. And so here you can add modules. So if you want to add, you know, modules for different things, you can see that it has it all here where you can do that. And they even have a premium category and things of that nature. So that's the right side of the screen where you can customize, you know, to your liking. If you don't like all that stuff, then you can come here under settings and you can remove the module if you don't want to see it, and it'll be gone. Okay. So on the left side of the screen, here you have your typical, you know, account overview where it will show you your account value and the things you're holding, shares, etc. Just to make it simple for you, where that screen you can scroll down to, they actually have a chart here or a calendar here where you can actually see the earnings that are being reported for that day. So today is May 25th, 2018, and there's 12 earnings that are being reported today. And you can see here those companies and those earnings right next to it, which, you know, is pretty cool. You know, the earnings thing has become kind of a popular thing. If you've seen that with different apps like Robinhood and stuff like that, where they will give you, you know, every single earnings call of whatever it is that you have in your list as, you know, a watch list or a stock that you own, so you don't miss any information if you don't want to. And they'll send the link, you know, you press it, they'll send the link, you're able to, you know, watch that. But the earnings thing has become pretty popular for people, where people want to know the earnings and things like that as people get more educated. I guess because it's one of the things that people always talk about. But it's fairly simple here. And so if you want to start trading, you can see where your account is here. You can do positions, your balances, your watch list, tax center, portfolio planner, dividend reinvestment. If you want to have all your dividends reinvested into your portfolio, you can do that. Also, you have your trade here where you can start to make your transactions, equity IPOs, all sorts of things, mutual funds, your bonds, your CDs, your futures like we talked about, Forex, your trading platforms if you want to be able to, you know, like I said, customize how you want to see things, and as well as analyze if you're really into that. It's a really good platform. Now, the reason why I actually got TD Ameritrade was because I had a few friends who started some investment groups, and they used TD Ameritrade and they really talked highly about it. So that's something that I actually looked into. I looked into being able to you know, start an investment group for my family and things of that nature, as well as being able to have access to some different trust fund capabilities that I really wanted. So it's been a really good thing thus far. Don't have any complaints. Like I said, I kind of mix and match things for what I needed, but here you can see they just have an array of stuff. It's kind of one of those things where, you know, you open it up and you can just search around for days. You can search everything you can think of, and you can even, like we said, plan for your retirement, which I think that's great. So let's say if you want to start your retirement, you come here and you go from there, right? And it's going to ask you some questions just about, you know what you may be trying to do, your plan that you're trying to accomplish, and things like that. And they even have some things for fixed income, where it's not, you know, hard, you know, for someone that has a fixed income to be able to start investing, you know, for their retirement, or just planning their money and things of that nature. So now here you can see they have so many different things for customer service, where you can send in messages, you can chat, as well as you can call. Okay. Now the thing is, now for those that may like to call in trades and things like that, the fees that they have are much different than the fees if you were doing it online. which we can go and check that out here. And you can see the pricing. Pricing is kind of current with most companies. You know, $6.95 online trades, no hidden fees, you know, all that good stuff. Now it's starting to become a thing where companies have seen how well Robinhood has done, so they're trying to get as close to zero as possible. There's actually another company that came out that's doing zero commission trade that I had a friend tell me about, so I'm gonna check them out and maybe get that video up for you guys so you can just see it. But here you can see the prices are, you know, pretty consistent, $6.95, which, you know, nowadays people consider that to be expensive. I don't see it to be expensive unless you're investing like every single day. Then maybe you might want to save your investments for like a bulk, especially if you're investing in one company or something like that, buying stock for one company. You might want to wait, you know, instead of doing it every day or every week, maybe wait till the end of the month, so a way that you're not paying $6.95 every single time. But back when I started trading, $6.95 was extremely cheap because a lot of companies were charging, you know, 10, 11, and 12 bucks and things like that. So I know. So today, a lot of people may say $6.95 is expensive, but if you've been investing as long as I have, you know, it looks like a complete discount for you, you know, because you're used to higher prices from back in the day with some of the brokerages. But it's getting pretty consistent. So if you want to do an interactive voice response, you know, I'm using their phone system to do some trades, then or buy stock or invest, then that's $34.99. You can also have broker assistance, and you can see the price for that. So self-directed is definitely cheaper than being able to use someone. You can see you have the ETF prices here. Same thing, they have commission-free ETFs, which that's something you would definitely want to read up if you're investing in ETF, because the ETF itself could have some type of fee. You never know, but they have commission-free ETFs here, which that just means there's no commissions for the ETF itself. But to invest in the ETF, each transaction would be $6.95 as well. Now underneath everything, they give you a little bit explanation here, so there's not too much confusing. They even go and talk about taxes, which I think is great. Mutual funds, no transaction fee, no load. Basically, no load is like a no load fee. Load means it carries a load fee. You might want to research that on your own time, but you can see you have access to the mutual funds, options, fixed income, which is what we're talking about, which I think is pretty cool because it gives you some options based off of, you know, what it is that you know, you may be be facing financially, or where you may be at financially. So that's great. Your futures, and forex currency, of course, these things, you know, when you get to, you know, all these things, you definitely want to research, but you can see the fees are very simple. Of course, when you start to get into other things like, you know, all these different things, margin and things like that, I don't really recommend for beginners. You know, things change financially when it concerns transactions and stuff like that. If you don't know what you're doing, you definitely want to do your research. But they have pretty much the whole gambit for, you know, your financial needs if you're looking to go that way. If you don't need all that stuff, then you don't have to have an account with TD Ameritrade. They're very simple, more simple brokerage accounts than TD Ameritrade that you can use. You know, if you're just trying to buy and sell stock, there's several that you can use, and that's all you do. Of course, just do the research first. But in a nutshell, you can kind of see here that TD Ameritrade has everything. It's kind of one of those things, it's like, it's hard to pick, to choose what to go through. You know, you have auto trades here you can set up. I mean, there's just an array of, you know, different categories that you can use, and being able to use that can be definitely a benefit for you. But like I said, you know, this might be a little overkill for a lot of people if they're not interested in this type of, just in depth of an account. Some people just looking for the buy, sell, but they have everything. You can see they have all this stuff here: annuities, your investment approach, advisor referrals. You even have your 529 plan, for colleges, where you can start to invest in your child's college fund now for when they get into college and things like that. So it's definitely one that you would want to research and take a look into if you definitely are looking for a all-in-one package. But TD Ameritrade overall, I like it. Like I said, for me, being investing as long as I have been investing as long as I have, there's different reasons why I like it personally. For some, they may not like it. For some, they just might not, be interested in all that, and they may like the more simple things, and that's fine. But here's just another look into TD Ameritrade. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you're using it, how it's worked out for you. Your comments won't, necessarily help, just me, but it will help those that are also looking to research into TD Ameritrade as well. So hope this has been helpful. Just a simple look into what they have to offer. Like I said, they offer a ton of stuff. But yeah, definitely. And so as always, thanks for learning with me and going through this review, this quick tutorial review of what's going on with TD Ameritrade and what their brokerage looks like. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.